This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Porsche Cayenne rear door panel. First, ensure you have the right tools, including plastic trim removal tools and a set of Torx bits. Begin by gently prying off the small trim cover located behind the interior door handle. This often reveals a screw that needs to be removed. Next, carefully use your trim tool to lift and detach the window switch panel, disconnecting any electrical connectors underneath. Now that the initial trim pieces are off, you'll find several screws holding the panel in place. Use your Torx driver to remove the screw that was hidden behind the door handle trim piece. Then, look underneath where the window switch panel was. There are typically 2 more screws here that need to be taken out. Always double-check the perimeter of the door panel for any other concealed fasteners before proceeding to the next step. With all the screws removed, it's time to release the clips holding the main door panel. Starting from the bottom edge, insert your plastic trim tool into the gap between the door panel and the metal door frame. Gently pry outwards to pop the clips free. Work your way around the entire perimeter, ensuring all clips are disengaged. Once all clips are released, the panel should feel loose and ready to be carefully pulled away. Before fully removing the panel, you'll need to disconnect the door handle cable and any remaining electrical connectors for components like the speaker or door light. Carefully unclip these connections. Once everything is detached, set the door panel aside in a safe place to avoid scratches or damage. When reinstalling, simply reverse these steps, ensuring all clips align and snap securely into place and all screws are tightened properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.